How to save content from Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to save content from Facebook. Now, to save content from Facebook, you could use your built-in save feature to bookmark the post and videos for later viewing on the Facebook itself. So first thing, you need to find a content that you want to save. Let's see, this is the one. You could click on the share button and then you could go ahead and look for the save button. If you cannot find it, so tap on the three dot icon and then you have the save option. So click on save only me and it's gonna ask you to save it in a particular location. So next thing, you could do the same thing for it. So basically this is how you could do it. So, and on the post you could just click on the three dot icon. Let's say this is the post that you want to save. Tap on the three dot icon right on top and there you have the save post options and add it to your collections. So this way you'll be able to save content from Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.